In last class, we discussed about amalgamation, absorption, external reconstruction. Hello, sir. College नहीं गए थे? Amalgamation, absorption, and external reconstruction. External reconstruction. Okay. Then we are having the two methods in the amalgamation, absorption, and external reconstruction. Okay. What is amalgamation? What is amalgamation? There will be two companies, A company and B company. They are going to form a new company, that is C company. That is called as amalgamation. What is absorption? A company is going to purchase the B company, then it is going to be in the A company. Now there will be only one existence of the company, that is A company. Then there will not be any existence of B company. Okay, it has merged it. A has absorbed the okay, absorbed the B company. Then what is external reconstruction? External reconstruction will be there. There is an A company. All A company is going to change its name and the structure of the company, and it is going to become a B company. That is external reconstruction. All these things are going to be accounted. The name ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, what we have to do, accounting is very important. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದ, accounting. These are all the strategies. Amalgamation, it's a strategy. Absorption, it's a strategy. External reconstruction is a strategy. You will have one subject in post graduation, that will be strategic management ante. Yavadu strategic management adrolage bartav. These are all the strategies, but the management used to make the strategies, but the accountant, what he has to do, he has to do the accounting. Okay, merging andre management ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Management ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, let's go for amalgamation, let's go for absorption, let's go for external reconstruction. But what about the accounting procedures? Accounting procedures should be conducted by the accountant. Then accounting ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Accounting standard 14. Accounting standard 14 ದೊಳಗ two types ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಯಾವ types ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? Two methods ಬರ್ತಾವ. There will be two methods. There are two methods. Amalgamation, absorption, and external reconstruction. Those two methods ಅದಾವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆನ. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು? Put into the chat box. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು? Merger method, purchase method. ಯಾವುದು? Merger method and purchase method. Merger method and purchase method. These are the two methods we are following. In the first unit, we are going to learn the first. Okay, second one is second unit. Understood? ಇದೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿರಲ್ಲ what exactly the merger ಅಂತ? ಪಕ್ಕಾ? No confusion? Confusion ಏನಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗ? I can move forward now. ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ನಾನು? Okay. Now, see, the simple thing. Okay. I want to ask you some questions on this. See here, there is a company called as ABC, correct? And another company is there, BCD. Okay. ABC company and BCD company. ABC company and BCD company formed one more company, that is XYZ company. What we are going to call this process? ಈ process ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ ನಾವು? ಈ process ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? What we are going to call this process? ಈ process ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? This is called as amalgamation. Amalgamation. Yes or no? amalgamation. Yes or no? Correct? Yes or no? I need answer. Huh? I need answer from all of you. Okay. Now, then what about the shareholders of BCD company? Then what about the shareholders of ABC company? What about the shareholders of ABC company? What about the shareholders of BCD company? Okay, shareholders ಇರ್ತಾರ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ shareholders ಇರ್ತಾರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ shareholders ಇರ್ತಾರ definitely shareholders ಯಾರು ಇವರು they are the owners. Yes or no? Shareholders ಯಾರು they are the owners. Definitely yes or no? Any confusion, dear students? No confusion. Now what they should get? How okay, you are going to ಇಲ್ಲಿ amalgamation is nothing but you have created one account, one company. That company is going to purchase the ABC company and as well as the BCD company. XYZ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪನಿ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಅದು ಕಂಪನಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ABC ಕಂಪನಿನೂ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತದ, BCD ಕಂಪನಿನೂ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತದ. Means it is going to be collaborated in one company that is called as XYZ company, and there should be a what about the share? Okay, then there is a question that what about the shareholders of this company? Then XYZ company should give something to the shareholders of the BCD company. XYZ company something has to give to the shareholders of ABC company. Yes or no? ಕೊಡಬೇಕೋ ಕೊಡಬಾರದು? Put into the chat box. This will be very crucial. Yes or no? ಕೊಡಬೇಕೋ ಕೊಡಬಾರದು? Okay. Now whatever the amount payable, whatever the kinds payable, whatever the things payable to the ABC company and BCD company, ಏನಾರು ಕೊಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ something ಕೊಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. It may be in kinds, it may be in shares, it may be in cash or etc. Correct? ಇವಂಗು kinds ಕೊಡಬಹುದು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಪ ನೀನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಬಿಡನ್ಬೋದು. Then shares ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. Then of course ಏನಾರ something cash ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. ಈ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು ಕೊಡ್ತೇವಲ್ಲ, whatever the amount is given, whatever the things is given, whatever the consideration is payable to the BCD, that is called as ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ ನಾವು? Purchase consideration. ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ ನಾವು? Purchase consideration. Yes or no? Okay. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಈ XYZ company is purchasing the ABC company, XYZ company is purchasing the BCD company. Then we are assuming like that. It's an amalgamation. But what about the shareholders of the BCD company? What about the shareholders of the ABC company? Then the shareholders, the value of shareholders of ABC company is different. Value of shareholders of BCD company is also different. ABC company, the shareholder the value change, say the change ಇರ್ತದ. BCD company the shareholder the value change ಇರ್ತದ. ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ calculations ಮಾಡಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ? XYZ company is going to give something to the shareholders, that is called as purchase consideration. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ ನಾವು? Purchase consideration. Yes or no? ಇದು amalgamation cases. In the case of absorption, A company B company ನ purchase ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. A company ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ? B company ನ purchase ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ. Whatever the purchasing amount ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ B company ಒಳಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್. Yes or no? Shareholders ಇರ್ತಾರ. If the A company is paying something to the B company, ಏನಾರು ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕದ? A company has taken over the B company for rupees 1,500 crore rupees. then this 1500 crore is the purchase consideration. Understood? D2 what exactly purchase consideration andre? Yes or no? Perfect. Okay. Then this is called as purchase consideration. In करते ना हो purchase consideration. I want to take one example. One example though. Simple example. We'll discuss simple examples. Okay. Then simple sir English lecka start ಮಾಡಿ no. These important concepts are very useful in the big examples. Okay, ದೊಡ್ಡ examples you ಪಾಡೆ useful ಅದಾವ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ first simple examples ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ discuss ಮಾಡೋಣ. One company is there, the company name is APC Limited, correct? And another company is there, that is BCD. Here ABC company wants to purchase the BCD, then it's a absorption. Yes or no? Then it's a absorption. Now BCD Limited ದೊಳಗ ಏನೇನ್ ಇರ್ತದ, there will be asset ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ on balance sheet, there will be liability, correct? Then what about the liability? Liability ದೊಳಗ internal external liabilities ಇರ್ತಾವ. Internal liabilities ದೊಳಗ ಏನೇನ್ ಅದಾವ? shareholders fund. shareholders ಇದರ shareholders ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದ? 1 okay 1 lakh rupees the shareholding ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊ. Then of course other loans are one paper. Yesterday 110,000 rupees loans. This is the balance sheet of BCD Limited. Then the APC Limited 1 lakh shares into 10 each. 1 lakh shares into 10 each ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 1 lakh rupees share capital 1 lakh rupees share capital 10,000 10,000 into 10, that will be 1 lakh rupees. That will be 1 lakh. 1 lakh rupees, that is the share capital they are having. Now the assets are two and liability is the assets are the liability. Okay, ABC company limited in I want to take a river company. Okay, ABC limited in the BCD limited I want to take a river company, then that is the absorption. Then BCD company in yes, they are also ready to sell the company. They are also ready to sell the company. Then what about the BCD? Then what about the shareholders? Then owners of the company will be the shareholders. Owners are the company. Those are shareholders. Correct? Yaru avre 10,000 shareholders. Correct? E 10,000 shareholders are owners. Owners kya tar? Shareholders kya tar? Yari kya tar? APC Limited. Then you are going to purchase our company. Then what we are going to get? ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತಾರ? 10,000 shareholders of BCD company. ಯಾರು? 10,000 shareholders of BCD company. Correct? BCD company. क्या ತರ ಅವರು? BCD company. BCD company shareholders are going to ask the ABC Limited that what we are going to take against of selling of our company. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪನಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್. ಅದನ್ನ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅದು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನ್ ಅದ್ರ ಬದಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ? ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, that will be called as a purchase consideration. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಎಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್? ABC Limited ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಯು ಟೇಕ್ 1,500 crore rupees. ಎಷ್ಟು 1500 crore. You take 1500 crore. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೀವೀಗ the purchase consideration ಯಾವ ರೂಪದಾಗ ಆತಿದು, it is on the basis of cash. Yes or no? Dear students, I'm asking you only. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, yes or no? ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? 10,000 ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಅದರ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಬಂದ್ ನಿಂತ್ರು ABC ಕಂಪನಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ, you are taking over our company BCD company, then against of that selling of our company, then what we are going to get? ನಮಗೆ ಏನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ? What we are going to get against the selling of the company. Okay, ಅವಾಗ ಏನಂತ ನಾವು ABC ಕಂಪನಿ ಏನಂತಾನ, if the ABC company is having the amount, ಅವನ ಕಡೆ ರೊಕ್ಕ ಇತ್ತು, ಅವಾಗ ಏನಂತ ನಾವ, yes, I am going to give the cash. ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ನಾಗ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರ ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. If the purchase consideration is on the basis of cash, which method we should apply? Money class na ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು, which method we should apply? If the purchase consideration in cash, if the purchase consideration is in cash, which method of amalgamation, which method of absorption we should apply? Definitely purchase method. Yes or no? Purchase method la. Okay. Now again same, ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಆಪ್ಷನ್. ಎರಡನೇ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರೊಬಾಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಏನೇನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಅವಾಗ BCD ಕಂಪನಿದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಅವ, ಯು ಡೂ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, I will give 1,000 crore rupees and 500 crore rupees as shares of ABC company. This is also one negotiation. Negotiation illegal. It's a negotiation between ABC Limited and BCD Limited. Yes or no? Negotiation ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡುದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ it's a meeting between the ABC Limited and BCD Limited about the purchase consideration. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ರೊಕ್ಕ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು? ಇವನ್ ಕಡೆ ರೊಕ್ಕ ಇಲ್ಲ, ABC Limited ಕಡೆ 1,000 crore rupees ಇತ್ತು. The value of company ಎಷ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ನೀವು? Valuation 1,500 crore. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ? 1,500 crore. ABC Limited ಒಂದೇ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಏನಂತಾನ, ಯು ಟೇಕ್ the 1,500 crore. ಓಕೆ, ಮುಗೀತು. 1,500 crore ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಏನಂತಾನ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಪೇ 1,000 crore ಆಫ್ ರುಪೀಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, 1,000 crore ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಏನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ? 500 crore ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾವ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಇವು? ABC Limited. ನನ್ನ ಕಂಪನಿ ಒಳಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ದ ಶೇರ್ಸ್. Yes or no? It may be one more negotiation. Yes or no? Negotiation ಆಗ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಇದು? Correct. And this is also you are going to handle, make an accounting on the basis of purchase only. Purchase method ದಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ half ಐತಿ, half ಅಂದ್ರೆ something ಏನೈತಿ. And third method ನಾವು ಕೇಳ್ದ ನಾವು ಫುಲ್ 1,500 crore ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಪೂರಾ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಮನಿ, ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆ ರೊಕ್ಕ ಇಲ್ಲ. I don't have 1,500 crore rupees. I am going to issue the shares. Okay, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ. 1,500 crores ಕೊಡುದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, shares ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? 1,500 crore ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? You are going to calculate you are going to make an accounting, you are going to enter use the accounting system ಮೆಥಡ್. ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಮರ್ಜರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಮರ್ಜರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ಯಾವು? ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಐತ್ಲ, ಫುಲ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾರ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? If the purchase consideration is full with the shares, then that should be calculated in the okay, in the method of merger method. ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಮರ್ಜರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್? ಇವು ಮೂರನೇ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. You take 1,000 crore rupees as a cash ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, 1,000 crore rupees as a debentures ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ? ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಬದ್ಲಿ 1,000 crore rupees as a debentures ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. and you take the 1000 crore rupees preferential shares ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, you take 1500 crore rupees debentures ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, you take the 1500 crore rupees as a cash, 1000 crore rupees as a equity shares, whatever the negotiations ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂತಿರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ meeting ದಾಗ, then you will have the negotiations. That negotiation is considered as the purchase consideration. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? Purchase consideration. तो पक्का what exactly the purchase consideration ಅಂತ? Understood? Yes or no? You understood what exactly the purchase consideration? Okay. Okay. Then 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 in every method, in every type of amalgamation, it may be amalgamation, it may be absorption, it may be external reconstruction, there is a possibility of purchase consideration. Now we have to calculate purchase consideration. Okay, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತೈತಿ? 5 marks in one question ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. 5 marks in and 15 marks in question ಒಳಗ you will have one item, that is calculation of purchase consideration. Purchase consideration ಎಷ್ಟು pay ಮಾಡ್ಲಿತ್ರಿ? How much rupees you are paying to as a purchase consideration ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? You have to calculate that. In the next class, we are going to discuss about how to calculate the purchase consideration, in what form we have to calculate the purchase consideration. Are you getting it? Then what are the things should be considered for the purchase consideration? Are you getting my point? How to enter, how to handle, how to fix that purchase consideration in accounting of amalgamation, absorption, and external reconstruction. Teetla pakka? What is purchase consideration ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, what exactly amalgamation ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಐತಿ, ಇದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇದ್ರ ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. If you are clear with the concept of the amalgamation, absorption, and external reconstruction and purchase consideration, then only you are going to handle the accounting treatment of these things. Otherwise you are going to face a very big problem. You will not get into the amalgamation accounting. ಬರುದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, not at all. ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. You should be able to think about these purchase consideration, amalgamation, absorption ಏನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಪಕ್ಕ. Okay, I will send the videos.